Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. I think it's been like 8 days, 8 or 9 days. Yeah, since I uploaded a video, but it's been a lot going on. So I had some personal things I had to take care of. But I'm back. I'm back. Praise the Lord, I'm back. So today we're going to do a little shopping for a quick meal that I'm going to do today. I'm going to make salmon croquettes with rice, biscuits, and some corn. So I'm going to take you with me to get the products, and then I'm going to make a cooking video. Some of y'all requested for me to make a cooking video of the items that I'll be purchasing. So I'm going to do that today. So stay tuned. I miss y'all. Okay, Sam, I'm gonna make it to the grocery store. I'm at Winn-Dixie. See? I'll see you when I get in. That ain't no damn better. Come on, fancy. Oh, £3, $3.99. Crap. Okay, I'm gonna just get one onion because I'm not finna pay no $4 for that little small bag of onions. Okay, this sweet onion is $1.59 a pound. I just need one, so I'm gonna get one. Need some celery to go in there. How much that darn celery is? God, that's $3 for this darn bag of celery. Stuff used to be $1. This is ridiculous. Okay. This boy. Alright, we ain't dealing with no celery in there. So we just gonna put onions in there. Cause I'm not finna pay no $3. Y'all see that price? $2.99. $2.99 for that celery. No, we're not doing that. Okay, what else I need to get? I need to get my croquettes. Now y'all wanna see the nonsense? Y'all see this mayonnaise? The little small thing of mayonnaise. Look at that price. $8.49. Do y'all see this nonsense? And it's on BOGO. You paying for two. So that's not BOGO. I'm checking their prices. $10 for $11 for bacon. Y'all see that price? Look at that. Look at that bacon. Whew. No, that's okay. Oh, Winn-Dixie, Winn-Dixie, Winn-Dixie. Even the darn sausage patties that went up 2 for $10. What kind of nonsense is this? Oh. Let me focus on what I came in here to get. All right, fam. Okay, we're gonna get the double Q pink salmon. 1 can of that. And it's $4.19. They have other brands, off-name brands that you can use. I never tried that black top, but my mama always used that, so I'm gonna use that. And I gotta get some rice because I'm out of rice. Let's see how much that rice is. Wendy's got their white rice on sale for 99 cents. So I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna check that out on though. Okay, $1.25. So gotta get my bureau cubes. I keep those on hand. Alright. Let's go and get some biscuits. Oh, wait a minute. I gotta get some oil too. Just thought of it. I'm out of oil. Dang, they done took that oil off. Look at that price for that little bit of oil right here. So cool. Jeez. And this little bitty one right here is $2 and 49 cents. Almost $3. They're killing us. I'm telling you, they're killing us with these darn prices. I can't pay no $6. I don't feel like riding all over town, get no darn different oil, because I've been and burnt my gas up. We can't catch no freight. Oh well. Oh my gosh. What size is that one? 32. Oh, I'm gonna just get this one. It's $3.99. $4. Wait a minute, this 32. How many ounces? This 48. It's 10. And that's $5.89. Oh man. I can't pay that kind of money. Let's see. That little bit one. Even the darn short in them went up. Look at that. Okay, fam, I'm gonna have to figure this out. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna get this one. This is $2.49. Jesus. Okay, let me get my butter. And y'all see that price for that darn margarine. $1.69. This is for expiration date on it. 2024. Alright, I want me some biscuits. For $3. These is some good biscuits right here. The honey butter. But they done went up on that price. That price is like $4.59. Jeez. I thought they used to sell the small ones. That's butter. I ain't gonna pay no $3. Almost $5 for that. Green original. That's buttermilk. That's $2.19. Okay. I'm gonna get a little small can. What's the expiration date on that? December 2023. Okay. It's gonna be half that price right there. So that's $1 and something. $1.50. And what else? I got eggs. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Ooh, my syrup. Alright. Okay, they got their brand 2 for $5. Buttery flavor. Alright, I guess I'll be getting theirs. And it's 2 for $5. Gotta start. I'm gonna check my date. 2025. Okay. Oh, now look at that, y'all. I ain't never seen this. How come Fruity Pebble start putting out their own serve? Comment down below if y'all seen this. What kind of flavor? Ain't this cute for the kiddos? $4.29. This is Butterworth. She's good. And Aunt Mama, where they didn't change the name to Pearl Milling Company, whoever that is. I think I got everything. So I'm gonna show you what I got. I got butter, onion, got the little small thing of oil. Got me some onion powder, because I need onion powder to go in there. I got my chicken bouillon, my rice, my salmons, my syrup, my biscuits, and of course, cat food. Gotta keep the cat with food. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ring up this, this, yeah, because this is really what you need. And eggs, which I got eggs at home, but this is what you really need to make your salmon croquettes. Alright, see you at checkout. Okay, that'll be your price just for those items. Okay, fam, y'all seen where if you just purchase those items to make your salmon croquette, it'll be $13 and some cent. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for the next video. And if I'm coming, you'll see another video with me cooking, so be on the lookout for that. All right, y'all have a blessed and wonderful day. Thanks, fam. Bye-bye.